Let me be honest with you. I don't know if this channel will work. I don't know if anyone will even watch this video. But I do know one thing. I had to start because staying silent was no longer an option. Hey everyone, my name is not important right now. What is important is why I am here. This is my first ever YouTube video on a brand new channel, starting completely from zero. No audience, no fame, no setup, just me, a camera, and an idea I can't ignore anymore. I am starting this channel because I want to support my education and help my family. That is the truth. I am not going to act like this is just a fun project or a hobby. For me, it is more serious than that. I am at a stage where I need to build something from nothing, and I choose YouTube. Like a lot of people, I have seen what life feels like when opportunities are limited. There are goals I want to achieve, studies I want to complete, responsibilities I carry quietly every day. And sometimes it feels like you are stuck between what you want to do and what you have to do. I am not from a place where everything is easy, no shortcuts, no guaranteed path, just uncertainty. But I realized something important. Waiting for the perfect time is just another way of not starting at all. So instead of waiting, I decided to start with whatever I have, even if it's small, even if it's imperfect, even if nobody is watching yet. YouTube to me is not just a platform, it's an opportunity where one person with one idea can reach the world. And I don't want to waste that. I want to build something real here. No overnight success, not fake hype, but something honest, something that grows step by step. And I want you to be part of it from the very beginning because this is not just my journey. It becomes meaningful only if it becomes ours. Now you might wonder, if you are from Pakistan, why not Urdu or Hindi? The answer is simple. I don't want limits. I want to reach a global audience. I want my voice to go beyond borders, beyond language walls. English gives me that chance. It's not about forgetting my roots, it's about expanding my reach. And I know I am not perfect at it. Maybe my grammar isn't flawless. Maybe I'll make mistakes. But I believe honesty matters more than perfection. If people can feel what I am saying, language becomes secondary. Now, let me tell you what makes this channel different. This is not going to be a normal YouTube channel where I just upload random videos. This channel is built on one idea. You decide what I create next. Yes, the audience will shape the content. I want you to comment ideas, topics, questions, or even random thoughts, and I will pick from them. We will turn your ideas into videos, psychology topics, internet culture, real life stories, human behavior, motivation, dark truths of social media, anything. But the direction will not come from me alone, it will come from all of us together because I believe something powerful. When viewers become part of the creation, content becomes alive. Right now, there is nothing here, no subscribers, no viral video, no guarantee, just a beginning. But every big channel you see today started exactly like this, one video, one person, one small step. And I want to see how far we can go if we stay consistent. Not just me uploading videos, but you being part of the process. Watching this channel grow from nothing into something real, something we can all say, I was there from the start. If you are watching this right now, maybe it's not an accident. Maybe you are someone who also feels stuck, or someone who is trying to figure things out, or someone who just wants something real on the internet. Then I want to say this clearly, you are welcome here, no matter where you are from, no matter your background. If you are willing to be part of this journey, then you already belong here. I don't want a passive audience. I want active minds, people who think, people who suggest, people who build this with me. So if you want to be part of this journey, here's what you can do. First, subscribe, not because I asked you, but because you want to see what happens next. Second, comment one idea. It can be anything, a psychology question, a topic about life, a story idea, or even something random you want me to explore. And I will turn some of them into full videos. That's the promise. You vote, we grow together. I don't know where this channel will go. Maybe it becomes something big, maybe it doesn't. But I do know one thing, this is day one. And every big journey in the world started with someone deciding to begin. So if you are here at the start, then thank you, seriously. Because from now on, it's not just my channel anymore, it's ours.